Hey everyone, this is Bill, and welcome to the channel. It's been a couple of busy weeks for me, so I have not had time recently to put out a video, but I am excited to once again focus on stock market investing by offering some thoughts on the new arena everybody's been talking about, the Metaverse. What is the Metaverse? While many see it differently, I view it as a combining of augmented and virtual realities. And why not include cryptocurrency? Investopedia defines the metaverse as, quote, "The metaverse is a digital reality that combines aspects of social media, online gaming, augmented reality, virtual reality, and cryptocurrencies to allow users to interact virtually," end quote. Augmented reality overlays visual elements, sound, and other sensory input onto real-world settings to enhance the user experience. In contrast, virtual reality is entirely virtual and enhances fictional realities. Factions of the so-called metaverse are already at play in our everyday lives, although most folks have no idea. As you can see in this graphic, there are 7 layers of the metaverse, all of which individually are exponentially growing technologies within our economy with seemingly boundless opportunities. So as you can see, the metaverse presents generational investing possibilities which could potentially be life-changing for all investors. This is the first in a series of videos where I will identify 8 stocks with metaverse applications that I am invested in. Odds favor you may own a few of these stocks, but if not, maybe after a proper evaluation, you may find a few suitable for your portfolio. Each of these stocks should benefit greatly in the future as the metaverse becomes more of a part of our everyday life, and I am just thrilled to own this basket of potentially big winners. Now at the present, the entire world seems rattled by potential Fed tapering and freaked out by the new Omicron variant. Now, please do be careful in managing your health, as this is about the most important thing that you could do. But please be advised, I'm not a doctor to be sure. But I am of the opinion that these variants are of minimal long-term concern and will continue to arrive until George Jetson shows up. They're going to be around for a while. With that in mind, let's move on and review the first of the metaverse-related stocks that I hold. The first metaverse stock in this series that we're going to preview and briefly discuss in this video is Nvidia Corporation, which trades on the Nasdaq under the symbol NVDA. Nvidia, which is primarily known as a semiconductor stock, is perhaps considered the strongest stock in the entire market right now, and with very good reason. The arenas Nvidia is involved in are expansive, and not only is this company heavily involved in the metaverse, they are working on the Omniverse, which in the most basic of terms is a virtual world. I had to mention George Jetson, didn't I? Nvidia states the company's invention of the GPU sparked the growth of the PC gaming market, redefined modern computer graphics, and revolutionized parallel computing. More recently, GPU deep learning ignited modern AI, the next era of computing, with the GPU acting as the brain of computers, robots, and self-driving cars that can perceive and understand the world we live in. The company is on the razor's edge in deep learning, cloud, AI, augmented and virtual realities, automotive, gaming, 3D design, robotics, quantum computing, and healthcare, and so much more. Check out the data on their extensive website. It will just blow your mind. Let's take a look at the technical analysis, which, as you can appreciate, is outstanding. TipRanks analysts give the stock a resounding buy rating, with 24 of 26 analysts rating the stock a buy. The average price target is about $360, which represents approximately a 17% increase from the current stock price of about $307. The high in the range by the analyst is $400 a share. Investors.com gives the stock a 99 composite rating, the highest possible rating available in the Investors.com rating system. Each of the components, including the relative strength rating, which increases in importance in a bearish market sentiment, are quite strong, as is the institutional accumulation rating. The charts show the stock is extended after recently running to new all-time highs. However, a tighter look shows some consolidation, which could allow for another leg higher provided we get overall market cooperation. Now, regrettably, I was late to this party, and while I do own some shares, I bought in at a very expensive level. The stock remains very expensive, but it has always been expensive, as quality stocks often are. Folks, if I could only own one Metaverse-related stock, it would have to be Nvidia. You probably own it, but if you don't, you should certainly consider it, in my opinion. That is all we have for you on our first Metaverse stock, Nvidia. In this market environment, it seems it would be wise to keep in mind this thought from the Oracle of Omaha we'll leave with you. We certainly hope you enjoyed our presentation, and if so, please consider liking our video. I hope you will also keep an eye out for the remaining stocks on my Metaverse list, as there are some real good ones coming up that we will preview. Well, folks, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.